All right, so this video is about how God showed me Men in Black. So I had a dream one night that there were some people going out and doing things, doing missions. Then at the end of the mission, they all went into a house, maybe about 2 to 3 people, not including the government guys, but 2 to 3 people who just went out and were forced to do this mission. And these men then held up an object and flashed this object at the people inside the house. Then immediately I knew that they had wiped their memory. This is when I knew it was sort of like the movie Men in Black. This then made me realize that the movie must be true then. Except in my dream, they were making the people do these missions, then wiping their memory away afterwards. I've watched the movie before, but this was easily 20 years ago. So I don't even remember exactly what happened in the movie. So I haven't seen the movie in a very long time. Hasn't been a memory of mine in 20 years. So this was extremely random for sure. Because it definitely wasn't anything that I was thinking about, or it definitely wasn't anything that was on my mind. So yeah, God showed me the Men in Black. So it looked like that, the Men in Black. So then they went into the house and then they flashed the people this light right after doing the missions. All right, guys. Well, that's all I wanted to show you guys. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Bye.